Okay guys, so welcome to my 10-month update on the Acorns app. So I'm just making this video. I posted a video a while ago, about 3 months back, of my Acorns balance. I kind of want to just update you guys on how I've been doing and progressing in the app. So basically what I've done is I basically turned on something with Acorns. It's called recurring investments. So with recurring investments, it basically every month I put about 20 bucks into my account, and using that strategy I've been able to build the balance almost up to about $300. So this is obviously a very, very tiny account, but just shows you the power of consistency and automating your investments, and not getting emotions get in the way to stop you or to put fear in you to put money into the stock market. So let's just take a bit more closer look at my actual portfolio here. So I just want to show you guys the progress that I've made. So as you can see here, I've invested a total of $331.94. I've received $3.34 in dividends. I'm down about $68 due to obviously the stock market going down a ton due to the coronavirus situation, and I have $14 in found money, which was money I made via Airbnb. So you guys show you my long-term potential. If I'm automatically investing about $20 a month, says I'll have about $41,000 by the age 73. If you bump that down, so that's about $7,000 by age 50. So not a lot of money, but obviously shows the power of consistency and investing in kind of balanced index funds. So now I want to show you guys some more information a little bit closer into my actual portfolio. So if we can just go right into it, I'll show you guys. So I'm currently sitting at an aggressive allocation. So here's my portfolio allocation. The majority of the money is in large cap stocks, and I have some international large cap stock exposure, some small cap. And you can basically adjust your portfolio based on your time horizon. So for me, being in my early 30s, I have a very aggressive portfolio allocation. But for you guys that are nearing retirement and want to be more conservative, you can obviously adjust that there. So then I want to actually show you guys the actual performance of my portfolio. So I just go into that real quick. Let's see here and pull that up. So as you can see here, I'm looking at my overall performance. So the funny thing about Acorns is that, man, my portfolio started so small. So I really thought this thing was a joke. The first couple of months I started, I barely had any money in the portfolio. But, as I've been slowly adding money to it month after month, I haven't really added any extra money to the account. I'm very impressed at how fast it grew, even with the down market. So, a couple thoughts have come into my mind. Obviously, a lot of investors have been pulling money out of the stock market due to fear. But I think if you guys have a long-term horizon in your thinking, if you have a 5 to 10-year plan, obviously, will there be more revenue coming in for American companies in 5 to 10 years? Probably yes. Will there be higher prices due to inflation? Probably yes. Will the dollar continue to lose value, which will then in turn push up the stock market due to quantitative easing and things like that? Probably yes. So for me, it's just hard for me to sell and dump my money out of the stock market at this time, even though we're currently going basically, we're mixed between a bull market and bear market territory. So for me, I'm just staying the course. But of course, I don't have the majority of my money in something like Acorns. I just was basically curious about the app. And I think a lot of people, there is a lot of value into it if you're a more passive investor. If you're busy with your day job and you don't have a lot of time to research stocks, you don't have time to read earnings reports, listen to conference calls, check up on news, and make sure you're following your positions, because that's really the only way to make sure that you're buying something of quality. Then I would go with ETFs or index funds. So, this portfolio is down quite a bit, but, let's see what happens with this. So I just want to talk a little bit about the roundups that I was talking about. So you can actually change this setting, and basically what it does is for every time, let's say you go to let's say you go to 7-Eleven or Walmart or something like that, and you buy something cheap like, you buy like a piece of candy or something like that with your credit card, and the candy bar is 75 cents, that they will take 25 cents and invest it for you. And they also have another thing called Earn Found Money, which is a really cool thing that I've been using since I've been renting with Airbnb. I've been doing a bit of traveling as well, so I'm not traveling obviously as much. due to the whole coronavirus thing. But they have something called Found Money. So anytime you use your credit card link through the app, they'll give you 4% of your money and invest it for you automatically. So as you guys can see here, I've earned $14 of Found Money. That's money that I got completely free from the app through Airbnb. So they have other companies. They have Walmart gives you 1%, Sprint gives you $25, Truebill, Mint, Earnest, Liberty Mutual, lots and lots of different companies. Hey, there's Danny DeVito. Pretty funny. So there you go. If you file your taxes through Intit, InBooks, Experian gives you $2. So this is just another way to kind of pick up some spare cash. You know, I'm not so much a fan of credit cards because I don't believe in paying a lot of interest. So if you guys are out there trying to collect rewards points, I think Acorns is a similar system going on. You guys can get rewards points for some of your purchases. So that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to make a quick update video to show you guys my progress. And like I said, the whole premise of Acorns is that you plant a small nut or a small seed, and then that seed over time grows into an oak. So let's see how I do with this portfolio. I hope to grow this portfolio, obviously the 4 figures to $1,000 and beyond, and just kind of judge my experience with a diversified ETF portfolio. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting a lot more